Number 29. Which feature is only found in the male gamete? So male gamete means male, it's like a sperm. In plants, they're pollens, but for animals, male gamete is a sperm. So if you look at the structure of the male sperm, then it has acrosome, nucleus, a lot of mitochondria here, and a tail. This is called midpiece. And this is acrosome, this is nucleus. Okay? So only found in male gamete? Looks like acrosome here. The jelly coat is present in an egg. Enzymes are present in both because they're both cells. Mitochondria is present in both because they're both cells. Okay? So A is the right answer for this one. By the way, the acrosome has a function in let's say breaking down the jelly coat like this. Okay? So this stuff, or the stuffs inside the jelly coat, not the jelly coat, acrosome, are enzymes that breaks down the jelly coat so that the nucleus can enter the egg. And that process is called fertilization. Okay. Anyways, the answer is A.